Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PayPal wallet. Your PayPal wallet is a secure digital space where you can manage your money and payment methods. It allows you to send and receive funds, make online purchases, and keep track of your transactions with ease. Accessing it is simple through the PayPal app or website, providing a convenient way to handle your finances from anywhere, at any time. To fully utilize your PayPal wallet, you'll want to link your financial accounts. This involves adding your bank accounts and credit or debit cards. Simply navigate to the Wallet section, select Link a Bank or Link a Card, and follow the secure prompts. Having multiple payment methods, Linked provides flexibility and ensures you always have a way to pay or fund your transactions, all while keeping your financial details protected. Sending and receiving money through your PayPal wallet is incredibly straightforward. To send, choose Send and Request, enter the recipient's email or phone number, the amount, and a note. To request, select Request, enter the sender's details and the amount. Funds typically arrive quickly, often within minutes. Remember, sending money to friends and family within your country from your PayPal balance or linked bank account usually incurs no fees, making it a cost-effective option. Using your PayPal wallet for online purchases offers both convenience and security. When checking out online, simply select PayPal as your payment method. You'll be redirected to log in and confirm your purchase. This keeps your card and bank details private from merchants. Plus, eligible purchases are covered by PayPal's buyer protection, giving you peace of mind. You can also manage recurring payments and subscriptions directly from your wallet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.